Hi guys, it's Diamond, and today I want to show you the rimmer leaders in my shop, and this is an A5 regular covers here. Yeah, and it has a lot pockets inside, and it has a lot colors inside. So let's go take a look in the puzzle spine first. Yeah, this is the puzzle spine. And I'm stitching this cover in a deep blue stitching. Yes, because I just want to let the stitching keep in a low key and just don't go too much to run the colors with the layers inside. Okay, so we can see, and the elastic is the light blue. Okay, so now, and the little tabs here is the brownie layer with the coconut button. Okay, so let's go see inside. Yes, we can see the inside is the front pocket. In the front pocket is the wing pocket, floating wing pocket. Yes, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 different layers in here, combined in here. And the front is the layer patch holder, and this is no longer in my shop. The elephant gray or pie gray, I really forget about it, but I just have a little small amount in my scratch layers box, so it's still enough to make the layer patch holders here, so I especially to add it on. Okay, so you can see here is the wing pocket, floating wing pockets here. Yes, here. And if you choose the floating big room, and you can see it fits to an iPhone inside very well. Yeah, it fits the iPhone inside very well. Okay, and let's go to the back. Yes, the back is a pen cast in the back, and I use the rimmer's layer with the new layers here, and the big A5 wing pocket is here. Yeah, we can see the brownie, and this is the peacock green. Because this layer is the light is a little dark here, so you cannot really easy to recognize it's the peacock green, but I only recognize it by the back. The back is the green, so this is the back, and this is the peacock green. In the back is the sapphire. Okay, the sapphire layer. Yeah, in the back. So this is the very specially custom order. Yes, and this will go shipping to New Zealand. Yes, very beautiful. Yeah, because the original the buyer she want to buy the rimmer layers with the new layers that they combine together, and because I know you guys know I'm waiting for the layer peeling machines here, so it takes a long time, and I just text to her. I say, hey, if you don't want to wait for a long time, why not just let me to combine all the colors to your order? And she said, okay, that's good, and just do it. So she gave me this opportunity to try the covers here. I'm so excited. I make it really beautiful, and let's just outstanding with overlay my aspect. Yes, really, this is cool. I feel this is very cool. Yeah, and you see I use the different color of the tab here, and the inside also different colors here. This is sapphire here. Yeah, with the rimmer. Yeah, very beautiful. Okay, so this is the videos today, and is the rimmer layers with all the layers I have in my shop. Okay, so wish you guys will love these videos today and see you guys soon. Okay, bye bye.